Good morning, second grade. Hello. Welcome to another week of music. We haven't done a lesson video like this in a while. So I want to let you know that every week, this is how our lessons are going to go. I'm going to record a lesson for you and I'm going to post the video. And sometimes it's going to have additional things for you to complete, like that rhythm composition, that song creation that you did last week. You are going to be doing another one of those this week just because practice makes you better, makes you more knowledgeable, and it makes you a lot more comfortable with your rhythms. So it's so nice to see all of you. I'm so excited for another music lesson. If you don't remember me because you haven't seen my face in quite a long time, probably, I am Mrs. Smith. I am your music teacher. I'm so happy to have you guys back in class with me. I miss you and I can't wait to see you whenever we get back into school, and that way we can make music together. So boys and girls, I'm going to share my screen. That way you can see it and you can see all the things that we're going to be doing. So you should see, welcome back to music, second grade. So here's what we're going to be doing today. We have our hello song, which you may or may not remember, but we're going to go over it. We have a rhythm composition, which a composition is just a song that you create. So we're going to be doing that. And then we have a new song. So if you don't remember the hello song, you sing everything that is purple. So you sing all of these purple words over here. And Mrs. Smith sings all of the black words. So in other words, I go first and you sing after me. Can you give me a thumbs up if my words look the same as your words? Yes. So for all of this beginning part, what I sing, silly bell, what I sing is exactly what you sing. So in other words, you echo me, you sing exactly what I sing. My turn first. My turn first, second grade. Hello there, how are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Now, second grade, go ahead and bring a hand up and keep that beat on your head, please. This is our steady beat. The steady beat does not get faster. It doesn't get slower. It just stays steady. That's why we call it a steady beat. Sing after me, please, with that beat going on your head. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Nice job, everybody. So we kick off every single music class with our hello song. We may have a goodbye song at some point down the road, but we start every music class with the hello song. So second grade, can you please raise your hand if you remember, if you know what this note is called? Go ahead and say what you think this note is called to the camera, please. It is a taw. So do you know how many sounds a taw makes? One, exactly. That's why we have one little circle down here and one stem. So a taw gets one sound. Can you please clap and say taw? Perfect. Nice job, second grade. Can you raise your hand if you remember what this note is called? Go ahead and say it to the camera, please. It is a TT. Now, TT has two syllables in it. So how many sounds do you think this rhythm gets? It does get two. That's why we have two circles, two stems, and the stems are such best friends that they just got to hold hands all the time because they really like each other. So can you clap and say TT? Perfect. And go ahead and raise your hand if you know what this note is called. It is a rest. Good job, everybody. So a rest, we show that in the music room like this. You just put your finger up and a rest is silent. You do not clap it. It gets no sound. So I would like you to please clap and say this pattern after me. My turn first. Ta, ta, ta. Speak it by yourself and ready, go. Just the girls, ready, go. Boys, your turn, here you go. Everybody clap and say, ta, ta, ta. Nice job, everybody. Can you please clap and say this one after me? Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. By yourselves and ready, go. If you're wearing pink, clap and say. If you're wearing blue, clap and say. Any color, clap and say. Ti, ti, ta, ta. Perfect, second grade. That was wonderful. I want you to try this one by yourself. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to look at it and think through it in your brain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, get out your clapping hands. I would like you to clap and say it by yourself. 1, 2, here you go. One more time with me, please. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Nice job, everybody. So last week, you created your song. You created your own. I got many of them back, and they were so good. They were wonderful, boys and girls. So we're going to do another one this week, and I'm going to walk you through it a little bit. So it says, create your own song using ta, ti, ti, and rest. Move the rhythms in the order you would like. Clap your song after you have finished composing. Now, boys and girls, composing is just a fancy word for creating. So musicians like you and me, because anybody who sings, does these rhythms, we're all musicians. Anybody who creates a song composes the music. So you are composing, you are creating music whenever you do an activity like this. Whenever it says move the rhythms into the order that you would like, all you need to do is click and drag it and put the rhythm in the box that you want. We can only have one rhythm, one note per box. So here I have a ta. Can I put another rhythm in that box, in this first box here? I cannot, because we can only have one rhythm per box. Let's see, box 2, I'm going to put a rest here. Give me a thumbs up if we have one rhythm in this box. Yes, we do, just one. I'm going to click and drag and put a TT right there. Give me a thumbs up if we have 3 boxes completely filled. Nice. All right, we have one left, so I'm going to put a ta right there. Give me a hand on your face if every single box has a rhythm in it. Yes, we did all of them. So boys and girls, after you are finished moving the rhythms, just like how I did, you're going to clap your song, just as like a self-check, and this way you can hear what you created. So for my song, it sounds like this. Pretty cool. If I were to say the syllables with it, it would also sound like this. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Yeah, that's pretty grooving. I like it. All right, boys and girls. So right around the corner is Halloween, and you can see my little picture here. There's some pumpkins, there's a house, there's probably like somebody living in that house. It's dark out. So Halloween is very close, and a lot of the times people go trick-or-treating or they dress up in costumes. Music is something that we can use to celebrate different holidays and events that are around the world. There are so many Halloween songs that I might, hint, hint, wink, wink, be sharing with you in these upcoming weeks to help us celebrate the Halloween spirit and just get in that mood for all of the different activities that can come with Halloween. So I do have a Halloween song for you. I'm going to take you down here, and I'm going to show you one of my instruments. So this is a xylophone, second grade. Whenever you come back into class, you will be playing with these. and they're so much fun. You're going to hear one today because I'm going to be using it to sing you a song. So I want you to listen for what the song is about. And here's what it sounds like. There was an old woman, all skin and bone. Ooh. One night she thought she'd take a walk. Ooh. She saw the bones a-lying around. Ooh. She went back to her little house. Ooh. She went to the cupboard to get a broom. Ooh. She opened the door and boo! Did I scare anybody? Give me a hand up if I scared you. So what was this? I'm going to sing it one more time, and I want you to tell me what the song is about. Listen very carefully. You can share a couple things now. What do you think the song is about? There is an old woman in there. She does go for a walk. I want you to listen for where she goes to take a walk. There was an old woman, all skin and bone. Ooh. One night she thought she'd take a walk. Ooh. She went down to the old graveyard. Ooh. She saw the bones a-lying around. Ooh. She went back to her little house. Ooh. She went to the cupboard to get a broom. Ooh. She opened the door and boom! Did I get you that time? Come on, I had to have scared a couple of you. So where does she go to take a walk? She does. She does go to a graveyard, which is kind of spooky, but I mean, sometimes it happens. So yeah, she does go to a graveyard, and what does she see sort of lying on the ground? Yeah, bones. That's kind of spooky. And then where does she go back? She does go back to her little house. And then what does she, I'm going to sing it one more time. I want you to listen for what she goes to get from her cupboard. What does she go into her cupboard to get? There was an old woman, all skin and bone. Ooh. One night she thought she'd take a walk. Ooh. She went down by the old graveyard. Ooh. She saw the bones a-lying around. Ooh. She went back to her little house. Ooh. She went to the cupboard to get a broom. Ooh. She opened the door and boom! Did I get you? Hopefully I scared some of you. So what does she go into her cupboard to get? Yeah, a broom. And then what happens at the end? Well, we don't really, it's unknown for sure, but she does probably get a little bit scared with the boot. So, second grade, these are the words. So I may have sung it a little bit differently, but these are the words that we are going to use. So can you please sing after me? There was an old woman, all skin and bones. One night she thought she'd take a walk. She walked down by the old graveyard. Good. She saw the bones a-lying around. She went to the closet to get a broom. She opened the door and boo! Good. That song's a little bit tricky. This time, second grade, I'm going to sing the first half of each line. So all of the words, can you please sing ooh and go? You are going to sing all of the oohs, and I'm going to sing all of the words. I go first, you go after me. Please sing ooh. My turn first. You sing all the oohs, I sing the words. There was an old woman, all skin and bones. She lived down by the old graveyard. One night she thought she'd take a walk. She walked down by the old graveyard. She saw the bones a-lying around. She went to the closet to get a broom. She opened the door and boo! So second grade, we're going to be doing some more things with that song next week. I will have more Halloween things for you. So let me stop sharing my screen. So you should just be seeing me. So obviously you could not see the xylophone fully. This is what it looks like. So you can also see some different parts of my classroom. Welcome to the view from the floor. So next week, I will be having some more Halloween things for us to do. I will be posting another lesson video just like this. So boys and girls, all you need to do for me is watch this entire lesson video and participate just like how we were doing, as if we were here in class. I would like you to complete that rhythm composition, how I walked you through, and you click and drag the rhythms. And after you are done with that, all you need to do is click mark as done. This way I know that you watched the video and you did everything that was required for it. So second grade, I'm really happy that you could join me today for a Friday music. I miss you all very much, and I hope everybody is safe and happy and very healthy. So I will see you next time. I'm going to scoot in a little bit more. So I can't wait to see you next time, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Hopefully everybody's doing great with school. Keep up the great work. You're doing fantastic, everyone. All right, boys and girls, see you next time.